Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is the best foods to eat to have shredded abs. So that's what I'm talking about here. I'm going to show you what I ate in a day in this video. And the best foods to eat to have shredded abs are those that are high in water and fiber and nutrients. So what is that? It's fruits and vegetables, specifically fruit, green salads, juices, smoothies, things like that. So you want to focus your diet on eating those type of foods. They're nourishing, they're hydrating, and they're full of water, fiber, and nutrition. Now, I also highly recommend doing fasted workouts. So I typically do my workout around 10, 11 in the morning before I have any food. I do my workout fasted. I do drink water throughout the morning, but I don't eat any food until after my workout. So I highly recommend that. If you want to get a shredded body and abs, try doing fasted workouts and eating a diet high in water-rich foods like fruits, green salads, smoothies, and fresh juices. So here we go. Here's what I ate in a day. Had my first meal at noon, and this was a green juice. It was celery, cucumber, apple. So it was a good way to start it off, nice and hydrating, super delicious. Next up at 2 p.m. I made a smoothie. And this had 2 dates, it had 4 ripe bananas, it had 1 cup of frozen blueberries, it had some coconut water and some ice. So really simple banana berry smoothie, nice and filling that made probably about a liter to a liter and a half. Then at 5 p.m. I had a bowl of watermelon, and this is my favorite thing to eat right now. They're just super delicious, sweet, and juicy. And then I finished it off at 6 p.m. with a burrito bowl. This had rice, sweet potatoes, tomato, avocado, corn, salsa, green onions, and some hot sauce. And I had a tortilla with it, and I had a little bit of seconds after that. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. It has some great tasting plant-based recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.